This is textbook. The water's been up. It was lapping right in here the other day. Look at these. And you know, we're up off the river on a natural hill. In most of these layers, any rocks bigger than sand are carried in. This is all carried in stuff that's come down. I saw this, see the red. See, this looks like it was fired last week. See how it's black, red, it's cracked up. It's been fired thousands of years ago. Now it's rolling out. It looks the same as it did if it was fired last week. I'm following the base clay. I'm scooping the stuff off. And check it out. I've been finding flakes in here. I got a point. And it looks nice. I haven't really looked at the rest of this. I just saw the point. Look at the cracked up rock in my screen. Here's a flake right there, an orange piece. But right here, looks pretty good. Man, it's nice material. Man, that's an odd looking point. It's got a little neck, but man, it's nice condition. It's a nice one, that's a day maker. Look at that, look at the material. Some kind of mid-archaic dart, I would guess. Real beautiful material. Ground base. That's nice. Real nice material. Wow, already. Laid out. Alright, here's this little point. It's not bad. I would call that some kind of a mid-archaic atlatl-thune dart. 5,000 to 6,000 years old. You know, I'd have to look there. I found pentagonal stuff there and Brert and stuff. It's hard to say for sure what that is. Even I don't know. But it's nice. It's a nice find on a windy day like today. Told you I'd get one. Later. Still here in the same area. I see red fire rock just sticking right out on the pile. See if there's flakes in here. Well, there's a flake right there. Flake from the manufacturer of an ancient artifact right there, right on the pile. So there's got to be more in here. Found that point. You know, to manufacture that point anciently, there would be thousands of flakes here on the bank someplace for every tool. They all break up like a piece the size of a quarter, making it breaks up over time. I see flakes. Right there's a work piece of Brush Creek Chert, a base off something. Right there, that's an artifact. I see other little flakes. There's one little finishing flake. I don't see any points, but as long as I'm seeing this right here, I have a chance at another point. If I'm not seeing that, I'll move to some place where I am. See, there's another flake right there. Later. See right here? This is even a bad screen where I didn't get much off the base clay. A little bit of fire rock, but see, black flake up here, and I saw one other tan one. There's another flake, and that's from the manufacturer of ancient artifacts. You look at this, you're not seeing them flakes. You might as well forget it. You might as well forget it. Later. Just walking up to the shore here, I got another nice artifact. It's probably been 10 screens later. You don't find stuff every screen. You gotta stay out here all day. But I got a beautiful end scraper. Right here. Look at that. See the lip on it? Would have been inserted into a little handle. See how it's worked? I'll show it with a good camera. All the way around. That's a nice one. You can see the shoulder on it too. Alright, here's this little tool. See how it's got shoulders there, right in there, and it comes down and has like a little base. It would have been hafted up to like there. You can see how these are made. It's curved. You can see how it's worked around the lip. Cool little tool. Up next is what it'll look like hafted. Later. I have done I'm right where I found that last Amos knife, that weird shaped one. And I think I got another one that's a weird shape. Right off the base clay. Look, base clay right here, skimming this stuff. Look at that weird tip on that. This is, I think, let's hope. Oh, it's not broken. It is another knife, just like that last one, but oh, see what I mean? Coming back to these places, this tells a story. What I found here from, like, you know, December, January into February here over these last few videos of the stuff I'm going to show you next in the frame is an article in an artifact magazine. Like, all right, here's this little weird, and it's an Amos, and that sure looks like Onondaga chert, a similar material. But see how it's no damage to that, and you can see how it's been used as a knife. Look at that weird edge. And let's put this in here. Here's stuff that I found all right there together that had eroded right out of the bank. The classic Amos from the last video, shame on the year, but I'm going to get that restored. And look at this. Found just right by that. Look, and look at this knife. This is the nicest one. But look at that. Little curved, like, look at that curved edge. Look at the bevel to it. How awesome is that? You know, all of this stuff together, this is a story in stone. All of this stuff's related. There you go. Later. All right, you see how this works. It's right now 2 hours. I have 2 points and an end scraper, and this all looks good. I could sift here. I'm gonna give Melody tech someplace a little while and then do some more of this. Later. All right, I'm in here with Squirrel Man. I picked up my mail and stuff, and the subscriber sent him some nuts from Kentucky. I have another clip of it done for a future video, a standalone one, but thanks, man. Squirrel Man loves them. I busted them up some, and he's got them there. They're like Kentucky walnuts or hickory nuts. I'll have to look on the thing. But look here. Who's this? I was missing you, buddy. And you got your Kathy Ware soft blanket? Kathy Ware sent him this blanket. He loves it. Tell him you love it. And you're nice. And you're nice. He's just like a little dog. He's really smart. Like if I put him down on the floor, he'll come when I call him. And he wants to sit on your lap. He's just real lovable. And just look at him. Say you want a cheek rub. And you're just little. And you're little. And you're nice. I'll get him out, put some more clips after this. I'll hold him up. Say, you want to play? You gonna play? You get me your rubs. Get me your rubs. Look here. Ever think a squirrel would want your rubs? Oh, Squirrel Man. Hope you enjoyed the video. More to come with Squirrel Buddy. You getting your nuts? I was going to turn that off, and you're coming out now? You're coming out? Tell them you got a big belly. Tell them. All right. Here, you getting your stuff? Look here, folks. It's the big man. A big man. You want back scratches, don't you? Say, I've been at the river. You've been in here all by yourself. You was missing me, wasn't you? Look at him. He was. Now he's going to get his brush and get his back scratched.